Welcome back to the Economic Eye. This is the third video of the Chapter 2 Principles of Management. Today, we'll understand why management principles are so important and how they help managers work more effectively in real organizations. Management principles act like guidelines that help managers take better decisions and run organizations smoothly. Business situations are complex and unpredictable, so managers cannot rely on guesswork. Understanding principles help them predict outcome, solve problems systematically, avoid confusions and conflicts, and improve overall performance. In simple words, principles make management more scientific and reliable. In this video, we will discuss 6 major reasons why principles of management are important. They are insights into management reality, scientific decision making, meeting environmental changes, optimal use of resources, fulfilling social responsibility, management training, education, and development. Let's explore each point with examples. So, the first one, insight into management reality. Managers deal with real world problems every day: team conflicts, delays, resource shortages, communication gaps, and more. Principles help them understand how things work in practice. For example, when two departments have disagreements, the principle of unity of direction helps bring them together a common goal. Ledger Papa example, let's take that. So Legit Papa uses principles like discipline, equity, and teamwork. That's how more than 45,000 women work together smoothly in a cooperative model. Strong principles have helped make Lijat a global respected organization. The next one is scientific decision making. Principles encourage managers to take decisions based on logic, analysis, and facts instead of guesswork. This is important because it reduces bias, ensures consistency across the organization, helps avoid expensive trial and error, and improve the quality of outcome. For example, when choosing between two suppliers, a manager should compare costs, quality, and delivery performance instead of selecting someone based on personal liking. The book clearly states decision must be based on facts and throughout analysis. The next one is meeting environmental changes. The business environment changes constantly. New technology, new customer expectation, rising competition, and new regulations. Management principles are flexible and help managers respond to these changes effectively. For example, companies outsource non core activities, businesses focusing on their core strength, growth of BPOs and KPO industries in India. These reflect modern application of division of work and specialization. Similarly, when a business moves from offline to online operations, principles of planning and coordination help managers reorganize team and redesign process smoothly. The next one is optimal utilization of resources. Resources like time, money, manpower, machinery, and material are limited. Principles help managers use these resources effectively with minimum wastage. They also help managers understand cause and effect relationships, preventing unnecessary mistakes. For example, instead of keeping excess inventory just in case a company follows standardization, which reduces waste, improve quality, and lower the cost. The next one would be fulfilling social responsibilities. Today's businesses must take care of the society, employees, customers, and environment and the community. Management principles guide managers to act ethically and responsibly. Let's take examples. BHEL developed the entire township of Raipur in Haridwar to provide housing, schooling, and community facilities for employees, a strong example of social responsibility. Legit Papa empowers thousands of women, provide fair earnings and education support for their children. This shows how following values and principles can uplift the entire community. The last one is the management training, education, and research. Management principles form the foundation of professional education such as BBA, MBA, and leadership training programs. NCRT highlights that principles help design management aptitude tests, support development of modern techniques like Kaizen, JIT, Kanban, and operational research, and build those theoretical base of management as a discipline. For example, when students solve business case studies, they apply principles like unity of command or fair remuneration to analyze situations and create solutions. To conclude, principle of management form the foundation of effective leadership. They help managers think clearly, act responsibly, use resources wisely, respond to change, and contribute positively to the society. A strong understanding of principles make organization more effective, ethical, and future ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Economic Eye for more such contents. See you in our next video where we will be covering FAOL's 14 principles of management. Thank you.